Take your working yarn and bring it across the front of the hook. This is called a yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Repeat this until you have the number of chains you need for your project. Now that you have a chain, it's time to make the first row of single crochets. Step 3. Skip the first chain that's closest to your hook and insert your hook into the second chain. Step 4. Yarn over, then pull the yarn through the first loop on your hook. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Step 5. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through both loops on your hook. You should have 1 loop left on the hook. Now you've made a single crochet. Repeat steps 4 and 5 to make a row of single crochets. Once you've single crocheted into the last chain, you are ready to start your next row. To start your next row, chain 1. Once you've chained 1, you're going to turn your work. Skip the first chain closest to your hook, which is the chain you just made. Insert your hook into the top of the first single crochet you made in row 1. Be sure to put your hook through both of the loops. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the stitch. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. Repeat those steps to make your second row of single crochets. Congrats! You just made 2 rows of single crochet stitches.